up, guys? I haven't been posting up anything on YouTube, but yeah, I'm headed to Dana House, YoungStatic, to put on my seats, my eBay bucket seats in the back. So once I get there, I'm gonna start recording, show you guys a little bit more stuff about what I'm doing to my car in the future. But I'll be at the track soon in March at CMI, Sacramento Raceway. So see you guys at Dana. Yep, Dana's porting this thing. Wagon, right-hand drive right here, CRX. Everybody just chilling. And Dana's gonna help me with my seats. Alright guys, we just put in the driver's side seat in. Holding for bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Customized bracket from YoungStatic. It's eBay seats. As you guys can see, this car is gonna be gutted. I'm gonna take the 2 back seats out. Maybe the panels. I don't know yet. Alright guys, let me try to do this side because this is not mounted on yet. Then I'll show you guys after the finished product. So when we welded the brackets for the front, this seat doesn't adjust, so basically we gotta take this shit out and readjust it so the seat goes forward and back. So we're gonna start fixing this and I'll show you guys once we're done. And he already made the bracket for that one that we're gonna weld on to the car. So hopefully we get done soon.
Yeah, set your ass up.
What you say, Alex? Yeah, that's what I thought.
I spun the fuck out of second gear. I let off right there because the truck came out. And then this way I had to stop because I couldn't stop. This car couldn't stop.
LSV Tech.
I was holding second.
You don't stay on that limiter for how long?
248.
This nigga.
If it was
eBay turbo kit.
I'd ride that shit. Then I hit it.
No, but his car, we just hit.
You don't make a 6 pound boost. Yeah. When I hit the 2-step, nigga, you make 0.
She's almost done though. Shit. See what those hoes are doing over there. You need some more light or what?
Look at the whole glass, bro. It's just fucked up right here.
Who?
Look at it.
Damn! Don't let Alex fucking touch people's shit fool. He breaks it. Like, bruh, it's not gonna work no more, Alex. You fucked it up.
Nah, this is what Dana wanted.
You mean,
This is what he wanted.
where did Papa go?
Back seat.
Alright guys, both seats are almost in. Driver's seats are in, bolted on. Just gotta put these for. The inside's pretty dirty, but almost in the carpet and everything. So I'll show you guys after this whole seat is put in and see how comfortable it is. Look at this small dick. Look at this small dick. Look at this small dick. Look at this small.